Hi, thanks for tuning into the Driver Dudes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the spark plugs on a Ford Focus 1.6 petrol, obviously petrol, Z-Tech Mark II. And as always, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Okay, so this is the location of the spark plugs. So these are your HT leads and this is your coil pack. So below these you'll find each of your spark plugs. What we do is we just literally just pull these out, move them over a bit to give the space to work. You might see that some of these have a little bit of oil in them. For the age of the car, that's not really that unusual. All it means is that the rocker cover gasket may have gone in a place. It's not really that vital. You're not going to lose a whole lot of oil. As long as you check it regularly, make sure it doesn't get any worse, then it's not going to affect the performance of the car. So if you have one, you might want to use a spark plug socket. The difference being is that there's a rubber piece in here that holds the spark plug. Push it down, and then you can lift it in and out using the rubber piece. It's just a case of pulling it out once the spark plug is out. Otherwise, just use a normal socket and a needle nose pliers to take it out. Should be fine. And spark plugs. And the new spark plugs then go in. So once you have all your spark plugs in and torqued to the correct torque, you don't want to over torque a spark plug I mean, if you strip the thread in a spark plug, you'd have a few more problems than you'd like. You just have to replace the HT leads, so it's very hard to get these mixed up because, you know, they're different lengths, and you just basically push them in. So you see here, the leads themselves, they're only so long, and then you just drive them home. And no harm just to get the cables a bit neat. Perfect, that's another good job done. Well, thanks very much for watching. I hope this was useful for you. If it was, make sure you click that like button. And as always, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and have a great day.